out there, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today's video is really exciting. We are turning this bed sheet right here into a really cute and stylish trench coat. I'm a sucker for trench coats, and this video is definitely coming from the heart. If you are a beginner looking to expand your sewing skills, or you just want to learn more techniques when it comes to fashion, then this is the channel for you. Okay, so for the design that I'm going for like a midi length that is like just right above the knee, or if the fabric is enough, I can go for like a knee length. And the main character of this trench coat is going to be the collar. So for the collar, I'm going to be doing a shawl collar, which is one of the easiest collars to draft. By the way, I love a shawl collar, and you can make it as dramatic as you want, and you can make it as simple as you want. It can mimic any collar that you want. So a shawl collar, one of my favorites. And now for the things that you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to be needing your fabric, and for me, I chose this bed sheet right here. Not sure if it's a bed sheet, but it was in the bed sheet section. It's 110 by 175 centimeters, and I'm short, really short, so that is an advantage for me, and this is going to be enough. Now let's talk of the plan. My plan right here is to just have the bed sheet the long way like this, and then I'm going to be cutting the body out of that much of fabric so that I can have like enough collar and all. And from what I can see is that it's very long, so it might actually be enough for like below the knee, but we shall see. So I'm hoping that I can cut up to that point so that I have enough for the collar. And then now this will be the leftover section right here, which I'm going to fold in like that and fold again like that, and this is what will make up my sleeve. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that this overlocked piece right here, I have overlocked edges and I want to utilize those. I want them to be my hem and also this part, which is the center front. So the sleeves might come in at the fold, which is okay as well, because I only need this part to be like the hem of the sleeve. And I'm also hoping to get pockets out of this, but we shall see. Now for the drafting process, I'm not going to do like an in-depth tutorial on how to draft this. I'm going to link 2 patterns in the description box and the first comment. Check those out because there's a lot of resources out there. And I'm also going to do a mini drafting video over on my TikTok and Instagram. So if you've not followed me there, please do. The handles will be on the screen. Here are all my pattern pieces. I have my sleeve pieces, which are 2, and I have my front pieces. I have my 2 back pieces. I have a seam at the center back, and I have the pieces that are supposed to end up being my pockets. I've not cut those out. I didn't have a lot of fabric for the pockets, so I want to attach them together to make like a whole piece. And I got these, which are going to be my pocket flaps. I'm making patch pocket with a flap, and this is what is going to be my ties. And let's get to sewing. I'm going to start up by the small details so that I can get like the whole trench coat. If I start off with like the whole trench coat, I'll get carried away by styling it before I get done. So I'm going to start up with this, which are the ties, and I'm just going to be joining at this point so that I can extend it, and then I'm going to sew it, fold it like this, and then sew, and then turn it inside out. And since I have the overlocked edge, then that means I do not have to sew the edges. And then I go to the pockets, make the pockets and make the flaps, and then now I can get to the body.
the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you.
Okay, so with this, the pockets are done, and now this is how they're going to look like on the jacket. So these are the flaps and these are the pockets, and I'm going to be folding the sides inwards like so, and then just top stitch on to the front. So let's do that.
And I really don't want to, yeah, but we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No, there's no more saving face. You're gonna pay with pain. I just taste the fame. I know my fans, they hate your name. You can't hate me in the next life.
Okay, so my front pieces are prepped. So this is how they're looking like. This is one and this is the other. As you can see, I have a bit of overlap, not that much because I didn't want much overlap, but it's looking nice. So now let's join the front to the back. But what I'm doing to the back first, I'm going to be joining the back at the center back seam and then join it to the front at the shoulders and then at the side seam. Before I join the side seam, I'll add my pockets.
Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But really I'm just passing the time. If you let me up in the middle of the night, you know all my self-respect goes out the door straight through the...
With the shoulder seams and the collar attached, now it's time to go and attach my sleeves before I go to the side seam. So I'm just going to pin the sleeve around the arm side and then attach that, and then I will go ahead and sew the side seams.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now. Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's what...
Okay, so the trench coat is done, and these are my final thoughts on the trench coat. Honestly, the color is amazing. The contrast of orange and purple, really, really amazing. I love the collar. I absolutely love the pockets. Now, the thing that I messed up is the sleeves. The sleeves are just a teensy bit tight. I cannot wear them with like a really heavy material underneath. But anyway, this is like a transitional piece and it's not that heavy for like really cold times. So it's still not that bad. I absolutely love the trench coat. So let me know what you think about the trench coat. Do you love it with or without the tie, or rather the belt? And also make sure you subscribe down below, comment anything, give this video a huge thumbs up, and also follow me on my socials. Links are on the screen.
Whatever, whatever.